Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a bus on the GoBus application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this Book Now button down below in the left side corner of the screen, and then select the type of trip, one way or round trip. Tap on the From section, and then you should select or type in your destination or departure point. And then select your destination. That's the second option. And select the departure date. Click on the Done button and tap on the Search Bus button. And if you have typed it in correctly and there is an available bus between those two locations that you have selected on that particular date, you can or you will be able to browse among the results at this page. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.